that is the new normal. So, good morning. Vlogmas day 4, I believe. Yes, day 4. And I'm getting ready for work. They're getting ready for utter chaos because I don't even know what's going on right now, but that is what the day is bringing us. So I've got some makeup on. I've got Mayfair, I believe. Yes, Mayfair. For my lip liner, I'm wearing Dior's limited edition highlighter from last year on my face here and here, and then a random blush I had in a drawer, and that is my face. And Dior concealer, mascara, just not to look dead. So I'm heading to work, and yeah, it's going to be a very long day. I am going to be out until relatively late, and then I will see for advent calendars later on this evening. I think Stefan will be here, if I remember correctly, so he'll be able to do those with us. We'll see if the children have become less psychotic by that time of night. I don't have high hopes. And then here I'll insert random stuff. So I think it's going to be tree decorating, if I remember correctly, but this is going to be a quick one. Again, it's just a quick hi. If I have anything else to insert because of whatever maybe happened at work, no coffee or a red cup of the day because I pick up Starbucks on the way to work, so I don't take a reusable cup. I just buy a to-go one. So I will see you later. topper. I'm blaming the new tree that I hate. But anyway, we're doing Christmas Twilight from the Martha Stewart collection from the early 2000s. There's Bamboo's ornament, which doesn't go, but oh well. They have to be part of the tree. Pickles. And then Dolly. We don't have anything for Poppy yet, so we will get her an ornament this year.
She's new. It's our first Christmas with her.
Mm-hmm.
Right, baby? Say hi to the internets, people. Say hi, YouTubes.
You're going to be a fun one this year, aren't you?
Hello, YouTubes.
So much energy. So much energy.
Say hello, YouTubes.
Hey, Steph.
Yes?
What time is it?
I believe it's Advent calendar time. I think they understand, too.
Mm-hmm.
So this morning's tea, the Headache Halo, yes, Headache Halo, so called because it had willow bark in it, which of course is aspirin. It was a rooibos tea, and I do not like rooibos. I think I view rooibos the way you view tea. It's tolerable if there's a bunch of stuff there that masks the taste of the thing itself. This one wasn't bad. It kind of tasted like Celestial Seasoning Sleepy Time. I checked, and apparently there's only going to be 3 rooibos teas in this pack, and I've already gotten through one of them, so 2 more to go. And this should not be one, because I don't think they tend to repeat them. This is, oh, peaches and cream oolong. Okay, I'm going to like this, I think.
I think that's going to be probably your favorite.
Yeah, let me just take a quick whiff here.
Yeah, snort that up.
Yeah, that smells good. I think I'm going to like that. Okay, there's one for tomorrow.
Oolong is caffeinated, I assume.
It is, yes. It is one of the varieties of actual tea. Okay, so number 4 here. Number 4 for the Seas Candies is, I think it's a peppermint patty, or it's at least shaped like one.
It looks like one.
Yeah. All right.
Can you smell it?
I don't know.
I don't smell any patty.
I don't know how well you can smell it through the
plastic.
All right. Well, moving on then. Number 4 over here. There you are. What we got? Devotion 36-hour mascara volume.
Okay. I got that last year.
Okay.
I think I liked it. I can't remember. It was Dolce & Gabbana. It's not bad.
All right. So on to the dogs. I'll do the dogs and get my Godiva last.
Okay.
So number 4 for the dogs here. Oh, here it is down here. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And it looks like it's another cookie of some kind.
Cookie.
Oh, it's like a little gingerbread man.
It's a cookie.
Bleb.
It's a cookie.
Look at that little blep.
Hey there, you want a cookie? Those eyes. He looks so happy. Give me the cookie, Dad. Give me the cookie. Can I have the cookie, Dad?
Ooh. Kind of smells a little gingerbready.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Smells good, Bubba.
Okay,
Excited?
I'll break his head off. And then, well, actually, I think I should break off arms and legs for the girls. Oh, there we go. That looks good. Okay. What do you think?
Poppy is taking. Pickles is,
Come on, sweetie. It's a cookie. It's a yummy cookie.
She's like, but where's the frosting?
There's no frosting on it. I'm sorry. How about you, Boo?
Boo Bear.
Bamboo.
Cookie.
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 Want a cookie?
No, Bubba.
There we go.
Yes, good boy.
Turn the broken off piece toward him. There you go. Come on, sweetie. Did you eat it, Poppy? Nope, you didn't. It's still over there. Bamboo's gonna eat it if you don't. Okay, here we go. We know they like these because this is just freeze-dried chicken all day, every day.
There you go, Mama. Did you drop your cookie? You did. You dropped your cookie.
There we go. All right, here we go with pieces of freeze-dried chicken.
It's erratic sizes. It seems like there's never the same quantity.
There were 5 in the first couple. Okay.
One for Boo Bear. One for Poppy. Oh, Pickles is like, oh my God, please, 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 give me the
Yes,
chicken.
dear. Yes, sweetie, you can have it.
Mama. Give me more. Give me more.
There's not
She's
all that much
standing
more.
and begging.
Okay.
Look at that.
I'll let you have this one then. Because you're just...
Oh, Mama. You're so beautiful. Good dogs.
Puppy.
Good
You want
dogs.
some more of the cookie?
Yeah, she didn't care for the cookie, so.
Oh. How about you, Boo? You ate the cookie.
Yeah, Boo will take cookie.
Oh, she's still eating the cookie. So,
Good boy,
Pickles
Baba.
gets extra chicken, she gets extra cookie. All right, so that's it for the dogs.
Let's get your chocolate.
Get my chocolate. Number 4, where are you? There. Number...
Top left.
Yes.
It's a
It's
shell.
like some kind of a ganache thingy, if I remember right.
I believe so. I believe those are the...
This doesn't
that one
have
has
the-
on the back, yeah.
Oh, it does. All right, this is the Midnight Swirl. I guess
Yeah,
it's the
Midnight
Midnight
Swirl.
Swirl. All right. One of 2 Midnight Swirls. All right.
Enjoy that.
And we have the persisting instability of these calendars here.
I can't do any better. These
Yeah,
cubbies
that's-
aren't
It's
great.
the best we can do for now.
All right, wrapping it up.
We are.
Tomorrow is Festive Friday. What's happening on Festive Friday? Who knows? No, I know. We're going to do a recipe. We're going to do...
We have an idea.
We have a thought. We are thinking we're going to have a recipe. I don't know how it's going to turn out, though. So, yeah. Stay tuned. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time